So the second time you open your Adobe Premiere Rush CC, you can see the different projects that you have. You can create a new project here also. So here's, you can choose your files and all that, and you can use your documents. And let's go back to File, Create New, and if you click here X, it will bring this window. So I'm gonna click the video editing project that I just created, and I'm just gonna wait until it opens. So here's what you see when you open the project. So you will see in your left to add voiceover, media, title, and you're gonna also see edit, and you're gonna see your media browser where you can locate media. So click here and then click media, and it's gonna open this window where you can see all your files. You can also have the sample media, which is the one that we're gonna use. I'm gonna use Vid Selfie, Vid Aerial, Vid Cruising. I'm gonna click add. And it's gonna add it in no particular way, so I can edit it and I can see it like this. Just move it so you can see the video. Click X here. In here you're gonna see the different project assets that we have. In here you will see to cut your video, and also to duplicate the video, and also to delete the video. And here is the control tracks, which you're gonna see the mute, so we can use all the videos. And just click back to close that. And here you can click filters for different things that you want, like videos, audios, or images. And here is to create a name. So I'm just gonna close this. Click edit. And here is the share, so you can share, and you can upgrade for unlimited sharing. So here on the right, you're gonna see your text, your titles. You're gonna see your transitions. You're gonna see color correction, audio, so you can fix your audio, and then corrupt and create. And here you can see your timeline, and here you're gonna see the video length, and that is in window to zoom, minimize, view, and you can see different things. High, sequence, you can add, zoom out, zoom in, edit, split, delete. And it's the same things that I just showed you, but here in the top, if you have a Mac. In Windows, you're gonna have those features, but it's the same thing. So that's just an overview of project of MYRAZ CC, and I'll see you in the next one where we're gonna start editing.